আলু বন্ডা।
1 cup of 500 g flour. Salt as per taste. Half tsp of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Take a mixing bowl and add the sand. Add turmeric powder. Add 2 pinches of baking soda. Add red chili powder. Add salt. Mix well. Gradually add water and prepare batter. Batter is done. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. 5 to 6 boiled potatoes. 1 finely chopped onion. Some chopped mint, coriander leaves. And 2 to 3 chopped green chilies. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Salt as per taste. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Half lemon juice. Take a bowl and add boiled potatoes. Add chopped onion. Add chopped mint, coriander and green chilies. Add salt. Add turmeric powder. Add red chili and black pepper powder. Add lemon juice. Mix and mash potatoes well. Potato mixture is ready. Prepare small balls. Potato balls are ready. Dip potato balls in batter. Heat oil. Coat potato balls nicely with batter and fry. Fry on medium flame. Fry until crispy and golden brown in color. Stir continuously and fry on both sides. Bondas are fried well. Remove them. Aloo bondas are done. Crispy and masaladar aloo bondas are ready to serve. Enjoy tasty aloo bondas with green chutney. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.